Alright, before we start today's video, once again I want to talk about another app that I use. Coinbase. As you can see, I personally have $180 invested in it right now. Personally vested in it. That's my money, so you know I'm not scamming anybody because I'm putting my own money into these things. This is not a paid sponsorship. This is an app I use myself. I really like it. I talked about another app in the last video for stocks. This one is strictly cryptocurrencies. So if you're really curious about cryptocurrencies, this is the best app out there by far. As you can see, I mean, crypto market is very similar to the stock market. It's got its ups and downs, but I am in the green regardless. I am making money on this. The best thing about this app though is if you go over here to the main menu, down here it says learn and earn. You click that. Right now there's nothing available for me because I've done all of them already. But you can see right here, there's a list of these different cryptos that are out there. And just learning about them and answering a couple of questions about it correctly, you get free cryptos. Like, let's see, the first one I did was Compound. I earned $9 in Compound just for answering a handful of questions. Stellar Lumens, which is one of the best ones out there right now. It's one of the most popular cryptos. I earned $10 in Stellar Lumens, $3 in AMP, $4 in Graph, $3 in Clover, $3 in Fetch. There's plenty of opportunities to get free crypto. You don't actually have to put any money into it to get these. They're free. And once again, you know, inviting your friends, which is what I'm doing here. I'm inviting my friends. You get $10 in Bitcoin for every friend that joins. So you don't actually have to invest any money yourself to do this. You can get it all for free if you follow it the right way. If you're good at selling things and getting your friends to sign up, there you go. That's the best way to do it because Bitcoin is the gold standard of cryptos that everything else is based on, basically. Like you can have it hold regular US dollars, like your currency, but there's also a USD coin, which it doesn't change. It's a stable coin. It's always worth exactly $1. $1 USD, $1 coin. So it's always worth exactly what the US dollar is worth. So you put I put $36 in there, it's worth $36. But it pays interest. It's not very much interest, but it pays interest. So if you put money in the USD coin, you're going to earn interest on it. It's going to pay that. There's other cryptos as well that pay interest, like Cosmos, Algorand, DAI, Tezos, Ethereum 2. They all pay interest. That's really what I'm interested in the most when it comes to cryptos and things like that, is ways that I can get more for free. So this is the app I use. Now, every time you do add money to it, you do have to pay a fee. Every transaction costs like 99 cents. But if you're trying to do bigger transactions and in the long-term investments and all that, it's worth it in the long term. All these cryptos that earn interest, I have it set up to automatically buy a certain amount of that every payday. Every week, but I get paid every week. So the more money you put in, or the more money I put in, the more I'm going to earn. So yeah, let's get into the video. Set the hook. No. And all that suspense and build up for that. I'm not lying. If the little quads are in there, then we could probably walk right up on top of them and still catch them. Let him have it too long.
Yeah.
Got one? There you go.
Oh, it's chunky. Woo. Oh man.
Big wad. Might need to get a measurement on that one.
Oh, this one's stubby.
They don't get too much bigger than that. If it's more than 15, it's a record.
Ow.
Piss off Greg by breaking his record.
Come on now. Oh, that stuff's good. They're way bigger than this one there, dude. I promise you.
Yeah.
I give you my word on that.
Oh look. He came up and got it at the surface. Yeah. Well, he chased it up from somewhere over there. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Another little one. Man, they're tearing my bait up though. Going through them too fast. I think I got one.
Got him?
Yep, little one.
Dang, it looked like he had a big one.
Ethan just caught one right as I missed one, so we almost double up there. Ooh, giant catfish right here. It's a giant catfish right in front of me.
I got a good one.
You got one? Womp womp. Oh, he's got it again.
Yeah.
Get him that time. It was very uneventful, no splashing or anything.
Hey, at least we got him.
It's like you should have been splashing. That's how you get people's attention. Make them think you're cool.
Oh. I didn't think fishing made anybody think they're cool. I just like it because
And he shook off my bait. I don't know where it went. Damn it. Going through a lot of these worms.
yeah, they be hungry. Just like, and I'm keeping your word.
No, what's messed up is he dropped it here by my foot, but I'm never going to find it.
Yeah.
How was my camera not on? I made sure to turn it on. Oh,
Got him.
blew up on it out of that rock right there. Match the hatch, all those bait fish down there.
Yeah. Did you switch to a minnow?
Little swim bait, yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah, all the little.
You can see them all right there, all those minnows.
Yeah. That's cool. That is cool.
Whew, he got lucky. Already? Oh, I got one. I got one. Got him. I got one. Yeah. Double up. Man, he shot off my worm too. Get a picture of them together.
Yeah. Oh wait, let's see if we can do it this way. I can't do it. My face. Okay, that'll work.
Trying to make yours look bigger.
Nah. I'm trying to fit both of our faces in there.
Good enough.
Yeah, whatever. Hey, dude.
Got him, finally. I think this might be a different one though. Ooh, really close to the eye. I think you'll be all right though. Missed the eye.
Oh, we got it. Dude.
And the other one's going after it. Look, he's chasing it. Eat him! Eat him! Eat him! Eat him! Of course, I caught one that was just too big. Ouch. There we go. There we go. Got him.
What'd you get him on?
Slightly bigger swim bait. Oh, he ate the swim bait and then shook the hook. Come on, stop. Is my swim bait still in there? Nope. Biggest of the day, I guess. Not that long, but he's fat. Oh, come on. Got him. That's 3 in a row, and this one I actually landed. Oh, I thought I saw something swirl on it.
You got him?
Yeah, he went into the tree, of course. Stupid fish. Swim out. Get out of there. I got him out.
Yeah.
Another double up. Oh, whoa. Aggressive little one. Ah, come on.
Guess that was money wasted.
Oh. Ring that bell all you want, man. I'm still walking.